Yes, we are doing the chapter number 1. Name of the chapter is food. Clear? And yesterday we have done balanced diet. What do you mean by the balanced diet? What is balanced diet, beta? You have to keep yourself muted. Clear? Otherwise, I'll make all of you mute. Yes. Clear? Now, what do you mean by the balanced diet? What is balanced diet? Write it in the chat box. Yes. What is balanced diet? Very good, class. Write it. Balanced diet means to eat proper food. Yes. You have to define it properly. Yes. First of all, enter by the name of your ID. By the name of you. Okay. Yes, what is balanced diet? Very good answer. A diet which has all the nutrient groups in right amount. Clear? Yes, a diet which has all the nutrients in right amount is called a balanced diet. Okay? So, what do you mean by the nutrient groups? Nutrient groups means how many nutrient groups are there? Write it, fatapat se likho. Yes, nutrient groups means three groups are there. Energy giving nutrients, body building nutrients, and protective. Or we can say for getting energy, we should take carbohydrates and fats. For building our body, for the growth of our body to grow well, what should be taken? अभी आंसर्स आ नहीं रहे बेटा. Write down quickly. We should take proteins. In order to grow well, what should be taken? Protein. And proteins are very essential for you because you are growing. Okay, beta? And concentrate and listen carefully. And protective foods, vitamins and minerals. We get them from fruits and vegetables, so vitamins and minerals are also very essential for us. So we should a diet which has all the nutrient groups in right amount for the proper functioning of the body is called balanced diet. हमारी डाइट में क्या होना चाहिए? Seasonal fruits and vegetables, in order to protect ourselves from diseases. To grow well, proteins होने चाहिए. Proteins we get from milk and milk products and pulses. Okay? Egg, meat, fish. Then, अगर egg meat नहीं खाती हो, तो you can go for milk and milk products. Soybean is the richest source of the protein. And to get energy, आप activities करती हो, you play, you go for outdoor games. For all that, you need a lot of energy, and that is taken from the carbohydrates and fats. Fats are not easy to digest. It's not easy to unlock the energy from fats, so we should go for the carbohydrates. A person who is doing hard labor needs more carbohydrates and fats, okay, other than who is doing the sedentary work, जो बैठ के काम करता है. So, balanced diet is not same for all the age groups, for all the professions. It depends on our work also. Clear? On the age, like growing children, they need more proteins. Now, look at this. इसको देख के मुंह में पानी आता है ना? Yes? Is it good for you? No. Okay? Although it is tasty, but it has less nutritive value. इसमें nutrients कम होती हैं, only sugar and fat ज़्यादा होती हैं. So we should not go for junk food. Okay? And we should go for healthy diet. Okay? हमें क्या खाना है? हेल्दी फूड खाना है. बेस, ओके, ब्रेड, बटर, राइस, चपाती, sabjiyan, seasonal fruits and vegetables. All this is healthy food in order to grow well and in order to get energy to protect ourselves from diseases. We should take this type of food items. Clear? These type of food items should be taken. Now, today we are going to do the food preservation. It is the process which slows down the growth of germs, which stop the growth of germs, which slows down the spoilage of food. खाना खराब होने से हमें कैसे बचाना है? Food preservation means how can we prevent the spoilage of food? खाना खराब नहीं होए उसको हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं? That process is called food preservation, and there are different ways to preserve food. How does the food preservation help us? हमें कैसे help होती है food preserve करने से? It helps to maintain the nutritive value. Nutrients, they remain as it is in that food. Spoiled food में nutrient value नहीं होती, food poisoning हो जाती है, okay, पेट खराब होता है, and flavor of the food is maintained when we preserve it properly. Otherwise जो खराब खाना होता Yes, sorry beta, I was on mute. Now there are different ways to preserve the food. Clear? Food को preserve करने के different ways हैं. For example, first one is drying. It prevents the growth of germs because extra water is taken out of the food content, and in the absence of moisture, जो इसमें जो microbes हैं, they will not grow in the food item. So drying से क्या होता है? We can prevent the spoilage of food. We can preserve the food for a longer time. Pulses dry होती है ना, उसमें moisture content कम होता है. So when we put them in airtight containers, when we preserve them after drying, they are not spoiled for the long time. पापड़ also, ठीक है? पापड़ में भी उसको हम dry करके store कर सकते हैं for the longer period because water is taken out by the sunlight, और हम oven में dry कर सकते हैं. In the absence of water, germs will not grow and the food items are preserved. We can keep them for longer time. Clear? जो हम spices हैं, जो घर पे मसाले होते हैं, we dry them first in the sunlight. After that they are preserved. उसके बाद इनको हम preserve कर लेते हैं and we keep them for a longer duration. सालों तक हम उन्हें रख सकते हैं if they are prepared, if they are preserved properly. होते ना घर पे, मम्मा के पास देखना उनके पास कौन कौन सी स्पाइसेस हैं किचन में. इलायची, ओके, हल्दी पाउडर, मेथी, धनिया, ओके, जीरा, ये सब चीजें क्या हैं? दे आर प्रिजर्व्ड आफ्टर ड्राइंग इन द सन. कसूरी मेथी, वो भी सनलाइट में ड्राई करके उसका वाटर कंटेंट कम हो जाता है. जर्म्स विल नॉट ग्रो. वी कैन प्रिजर्व देम फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. ऐसे रेड चिलीज, इनको भी ड्राई करके हम सालों तक रख सकते हैं. क्लियर? ग्रीन चिलीज डैमेज हो जाएंगी बट व्हेन दे आर ड्राइंग इन द सन तो दे आर प्रिजर्व्ड. नेक्स्ट इज द फ्रीजिंग. फ्रीजिंग मीन्स फूड इज केप्ट एट लो टेम्परेचर. जब आपके घर पे सब्जी आती है, फ्रूट्स आती हैं, तो वेयर डू यू कीप देम? इन द फ्रीजर, फ्रिज में रखती है ना, फ्रीजर में रखने से क्या होता है, एट लो टेम्परेचर माइक्रोब्स डू नॉट ग्रो, लो टेम्परेचर पे माइक्रोब्स ग्रो नहीं करते, सो फूड इज प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम बीइंग स्पॉइल्ड, फूड स्पॉइल नहीं होता, प्रिवेंट हो जाता है. Can you name a few fruits and vegetables you are looking at which are preserved at low temperature? This method of food preservation is called freezing. Okay, all green fruits, vegetables, milk products, cheese, okay, etc., meat, etc., they are kept in the freezer in order to prevent the growth of microbes, because at low temperature, कम temperature पे germs grow नहीं करते, germs ही खराब करते हैं ना food को. तो जब germs grow नहीं करेंगे low temperature पे तो खाना preserve हो जाएगा for longer time. Next is pickling. Clear? Pickling means अचार डालना. अगर आप आम रखोगे, कच्चे आम रखोगे तो वो स्पॉइल हो जाएंगे. Now what will you do? You have to turn them in the form of pickles. Pickles में क्या कहते हैं? A lot of salt is added, vinegar is added. They are food preservatives. Okay, salt की presence में germs grow नहीं करेंगे and the pickles can be preserved for years. किसी भी सब्जी का हम अचार डाल सकते हैं by adding sugar, vinegar, etc. We some amount of sugar, etc. and we can keep them for a longer duration. We can preserve them. We can prevent them from being spoiled. उनको स्पॉइलिंग से बचा सकते हैं हम by adding salt, vinegar to that food item. क्लियर? अगर हम नींबू रखेंगे तो वो खराब हो जाएंगे, बट हम उसका अचार बना के, उसका पिकल बना के रख लेते हैं तो वो जल्दी खराब नहीं होता. उसमें जब सॉल्ट ऐड करते हैं, सिरका ऐड करते हैं, तो इट प्रिवेंट्स द growth of germs, growth of microbes. So by pickling, we can preserve the food for longer duration. Clear? And next method is this is the lemon pickle. Okay? आपके घर पे सबके होता है जो लेमन पिकल, और वो सालों तक खराब नहीं होता अगर उसमें good quantity of salt and vinegar is added. Clear? Now next is we can add sugar also. Sugar add करने से भी जो है germs, growth of germs can be prevented, like jams, jellies. उसमें a lot of ज़्यादा amount में हम sugar डालते हैं. In the presence of sugar content, germs will not grow and you can preserve those food items for longer duration. Clear? We can turn the fruits and vegetables into jams and jellies. Next is canning. Canning helps to store food for a longer duration. Okay? इसमें क्या होता है? Canning में food is made germ free first, then canning करते हैं, उसमें से air tight containers में canning करते हैं. ओके, उसमें एयर एंटर नहीं कर पाती फूड आइटम्स में, तो जर्म्स कैन नॉट एंटर द फूड आइटम एंड फूड कैन बी प्रिजर्व्ड फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन. सॉस एक्सेट्रा, ओके, some type vegetables etc., beans etc., after baking they can be used to prevent the growth of microorganisms. So this way we can protect the food, we can preserve it for longer duration. So canning is also means canned food. आपके घर पे आते हैं ना कुछ फूड आइटम्स की कैनिंग की होती है, लाइक जैम्स भी, उनकी भी कैनिंग की होती है, एंड सम अदर Yes, sorry beta, again it was network issue. I was out of the class again. So hope all the ways to preserve the food are clear to you. And now we are going to discuss some